Alright, we'll be taking 3 shots with a Gamo .177 caliber air rifle. We'll be taking it through the scope. I'll set the iPad, which is what I'm using. Mind the not so good quality of video, but that's all I got. We'll be setting it up in front of the scope and see how it looks. Let's get shooting. As you can see, we got some cold weather out here. It's a cold 20 degrees, winter in Utah. Well, let's see how the Gamo Whisper performs in this weather. Okay, shot on light bulb. Okay, we're at target. Might try to mind the shakiness. I had to hold this iPad and the gun. It was very hard, but it did go right where I wanted it to. Right there. Took it right through the middle. Okay, next shot will be on this bobblehead. Hope to get a good effect at this. It's gonna be cool. Alright, taking a shot on bobblehead. Whew. That was pretty sweet. Let's go check it out. Whew. Right off the top. I don't know if you guys could hear that ricochet or see that head bob, but that thing went crazy. Didn't go through. This is rock solid steel. Alright, let's take a shot at the basketball he's holding. Alright, taking a few shots with the top Gamo air rifle. I think that I've seen its accuracy. It's very powerful. And it is for sure the greater rifle out of these two. But even though this bottom one is a $50 gun, we're going to prove how accurate these guns can be. Mind the scope, it's going to be a lot harder to see through. It's a little bit smaller. Actually a lot smaller. But I'm going to show you how accurate this gun is. I'm going to take the final shot at the basketball. Alright, here we are with the Daisy power line, shooting at 750 feet per second, and we're shooting again the JSB Diablo Exact, and we're going to shoot at this basketball. And this shot's going to prove that even cheap air rifles, for instance this air rifle was $50, can be accurate. I'm going to shoot this basketball with it to prove it. Okay, I don't know if you guys heard that, but there's a nice ricochet effect with that. Pretty sure I hit the top of the basketball with that shot. Nope. I hit the side. That dark spot right there. That's where I hit. And ricocheted up. Took a big chunk of that paper. Fine shot. Right where I was aiming. Again, Gamo rifle. Shot at the top. Hit the top where I was aiming. I aimed up the top to try and get a nice bobble effect. And it did. Did a very nice bobble effect. But even $50 rifles can be accurate. You don't need a Gamo Whisper to have fun. Thanks for watching.